So I'm on coach 9, seat 18. Hey guys, this is David, and today's gonna be a crazy one. I'm leaving Da Nang, and I'll be traveling non-stop for the next 24 hours to Cat Ba Island. I'm gonna take an overnight train to Hanoi, and then a shuttle and boat to Cat Ba Island on Ha Long Bay. Oh yeah, I'll also have some Hanoi-style pho for breakfast. Come get lost with me. I'm taking Grab from where I'm staying to the train station. It's about 47,000 dongs, which is about $2. If I take a taxi, it would cost me 70 to 75,000. That's $3.30. I'm here at the station waiting for 2 o'clock. It's right now just 1. I was looking around and there doesn't seem to be any signs or timetables for you to check at this station. There's only one train that arrives and leaves at a time, so the door to the platform remains closed until after the train gets there. You just need to make sure that you're on the train before it leaves. And it's time for me to leave. So I'm on coach 9, seat 18. Coach 9, seat 18. There's another person here, so here's a quick look at the first class sleepers. I have the bottom berth. First class has 4 sleepers, and I think second class has 6 sleepers. After the train starts moving, I think there's a cart that comes around selling food. Even though I got some snacks for the journey, I think I'm gonna order something because I kind of want to see how it tastes. This is thit, braised pork belly, and there's some hard-boiled eggs that's in there as well. There's some stir-fried zucchini, some soup, and steamed rice. So this squash we've had before. This is just braised pork. Taste-wise, is nothing to write home about. The thit isn't cooked long enough, so it's a bit tough. The eggs are nice. And the best part of the entire meal are these fried rolls, which I actually ordered in addition to the meal, along with this chicken leg. Obviously, I didn't get sick, which is great. If you prefer better food, my suggestion is get to the train station maybe half an hour earlier, and then you can kind of walk around and shop around for food that you want to bring on board. So we're about to get to Hanoi. No, this video. So we're about to get to Hanoi right now, and it's like about 5:30. And it's way too early in the morning. But these three have been laughing. Well, they've been laughing at me because I've been talking into my camera. They're actually pretty cool though. We were up pretty late last night talking, and the lady was sharing some snacks and pomelos. We're in Hanoi, and I kinda enjoyed the overnight train. The food was but the people I spent the last 16 hours with were great.
So it's about 6 o'clock, it's almost 6 o'clock in the morning, and just got off the train and walked across from the train station. There's absolutely no Wi-Fi in the train station, which is kind of stupid in my opinion, because it is the capital of this country and its train station does not have Wi-Fi. Da Nang is the third largest and it has free Wi-Fi in the train station. Yeah, I got some coffee at Highland Coffee right back there, and now it's time to finally get some breakfast. Okay, so I got situated. I know exactly where I am right now, and I am headed to the Pho Ken Li Quoc Su. So I'm on the Grab right now. I'm headed to Li Quoc Su for pho. Pho Hanoi, right?
The place that I'm gonna go get pho is called Pho Li Quoc Su, and it's located pretty close to Huang Kim Lake.
Li Quoc Su. Yeah. Oh, thank you. Okay, so I'm here at the pho place, and what I just realized is I've been here before. I was here last time with my cousin.
This place sells beef pho and only that, but with different combinations of cuts of meats. It's pretty packed here in the morning, which is pretty much the same as it was a couple years ago when I came. I ordered the pho dapik, which is 85,000 dongs. And here's the bowl of goodness. There's flank, brisket, and raw beef in there, along with some onions, scallions, and cilantros.
The pho just came, and I squeezed some lime in it, and I'm throwing some peppers into it right now. There's also pickled garlic, so that's going to go in as well.
I ordered this fried donut, which I'll dip into the soup later.
They don't have bean sprouts in here, but they only put cilantro in there. And I mean, it tastes really good. The flavor is also very good. And these donuts, I'm dipping in there. And it just soaks up all the broth. It's really good. So I'm going to stop here. I'm going to take out on this. So I just had breakfast of pho, which was really, really good. Remember, you got to come to this place. This place is really good. The flavor is much different. It's not as sweet as the southern style, but I think of all the Hanoi style pho that I've had, I like this the most. So actually, one quick thing I forgot to mention. The Grab car that I got was 20,000 dong, which is less than $1 to go from the train station, pretty much train station. I only walked about a block and a half away to the coffee shop to the pho location. Yeah, it was really quick. Grab is really convenient here, so it was really easy getting here. As long as you have Wi-Fi or internet connection, you have no problem getting around.
Now I'm headed to the Opera House. A shuttle's picking me up and taking me to Hai Phong, where a speedboat's gonna take me to Cat Ba. Since Grab was really easy to deal with, I'll probably take it to the Opera House.
I'm at the Opera House right now. The guy earlier dropped me off at the Opera House Hotel. And so I'm like, wait, this is wrong. And then he turned around and actually came back and picked me up and dropped me off at the right place. So it's great. Grab is, honestly, Grab's the way to go. Don't even bother with the taxis and trying to negotiate anything. Price is right there. It was probably like a 5-minute drive. It was 20,000 dongs again, which is $1. I ended up giving him double that, so I think that's probably one of the reasons why I came back. But whatever the case may be, man, that was great. And now I'm just waiting for another, I guess, half an hour to 45 minutes. I'll be heading on my way. So we're heading off, and speedboat that we're going on.
After almost 26 hours of traveling by train, bus, and boat, I'm finally here. So this is where I'm going to be staying. It's a Katba Central Hostel. I booked a private room and it's got 2 beds. It's about 17 US and this is the living area. And here's the bathroom. It's pretty nice.
Okay, this is a direct reflection of what I am seeing directly out of my window. Look at this. Oh my god, this is crazy. This is directly from my window to my room.
It's about 3:30 in the afternoon and I'm just gonna get settled in and get some food. It's been a long travel day and to be honest, it was a really neat experience taking the overnight train. If you have a chance and the time, definitely try it. I think it's a different experience. Well, thanks for coming with me on my very intense travel day. I really enjoyed the whole experience. I'll be staying in Katba for the next 3 days and we'll explore the island as well as Halong Bay. So remember to subscribe and turn on notifications if you haven't. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share. And thanks for getting lost with me.